Gmail is a product from Google, meaning what you can do is you can also directly attach out files from your Google Drive account directly into the mail that you write with Gmail. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the compose button, and let me just go around onto the full screen mode so that you can see this right here. Let me just close this email that I have right here, and over here I'm going to type in the recipient's email address right here as per how I want, and then I'm going to go around and say example Z drive attachment right here as the subject right here. So I'm just going to go around and say example text right here. So once I do that, in order to add in attachment from your Google Drive, you can go around over here onto the Google Drive icon instead of the regular attach file icon right here. If you were to click on it, over here you can see that you can access out files from your Google Drive. That is because your Gmail is basically your Google account, and you can directly access out the files as long as you're signed in. So if I were to select out any file right here and then click on insert, what happens is that that file is inserted as a Google Drive link. So there is advantages and disadvantages to this. So the other person does need to have access to your Google Drive, and you should make sure that your drive links are shared with them so that they can access out the files, which is kind of like a drawback because they need to go through this second step process. But what happens is that you can send much larger files than a regular attachment if you use Google Drive. Let's say if the file size is much more than 25 megabytes, you can just simply send it to them, and there's no limit to how big the attachments can be. But with the regular attachments, it's limited to 25 MB right here. So you can see that this is a Google Drive link, and let me just close it. Apart from inserting a Google Drive link, if you want to just send the files from Google Drive as a regular attachment, you can just go to your Google Drive and navigate around to the place where you want to insert the attachment from. So let me just go around over here onto let's say the drawing file right here, just like this, and select out this, and you can see it says drive link right here. But if I were to go around over here and select out some other files which is not native to Google app format, you can see that I also have the attachment option right here. It says insert as attachment. So if I were to select this and click on insert, instead of uploading out a link to that file, you can see that it uploads it out as a regular attachment as well. So that is one thing that you can do while you're inserting attachments from Google Drive as well. So if I were to go around onto regular attachment right here, you can see that I got a bunch of files, and some of them are 5 megabytes. So if I were to open it up, then it'll upload out regularly right here. But if I were to go around over here onto attach file, then you can see that there's many different options, like many different file sizes right here. Like this one is 113 megabytes, and the limit for regular attachment is 25 megabytes. So if I were to click on this and click on open, it says large files must be shared with Google Drive. So it tells you that, and you can say, okay, got it. And what happens is that the attachment directly gets uploaded as a Google Drive link, and then it'll be added onto the mail body right here. You can see that it is being uploaded right here onto Google Drive, and you get the Google Drive link right here. You can also go around onto your Google Drive right here, and you know that certain file size is large, you want to send it by using Google Drive link, then you can go on to the upload section and then select files from your device as well, and directly select out the file that you want to upload using Google Drive as well. Upload it right here, just like this, and then you can say upload, and then it gets attached out as a Google Drive link like that as well. You can see it is uploading right here, and it is almost complete right here, just like this, and this is what you have. And if you were to send this to someone else right here, you can see that now it is asking you to give the permissions for the Google Drive links that you have in the email. So you can set them out to be a viewer, a commenter, or editor right here. So I'm just going to set it as viewer right here. Or you can also set anyone with the link can view right here, which does make the files let's say more public, and I'm just going to go around and give the access to the viewer and click on send right here. So the viewer access will be sent from Google Drive, and then you can see under the send, you can see that all of the files are here. The Google Drive links are here and the regular files are over here as well. And that is what you have, as you can see right here, with Google Drive as well and with Gmail. If you want to learn more about Google Drive, then you can check out my playlist on Google Drive as well. So that is how you can attach files directly from Google Drive in your mails, which are sending through Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.